I am like the Grim Reaper of plants. Why does everything I buy die on me? Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So these literally have been sitting on my vanity forever. This is the new Slip Tease from NYX. This is their full color lip lacquer, and I saw these at Ulta just before I went on vacation, so I didn't have a chance to play with them. Nothing. They've been mocking me, so I figured I would sit down, try them out, do an all-day wear test, and see how they perform. Now, these retail for $6.99 each. They come in 12 shades, and it has 8 reviews on the Ulta.com website, all 5 stars. So here's to hoping it's an amazing product. I have not had good luck with NYX lip products at all. I've talked about that before. The only lipstick from them that I actually have liked have been the Turnt Up line. Everything else I've not liked. But these are supposed to deliver weightless color, glossy. Apparently there's like this very soft vanilla mint scent to it, which I didn't notice when I was swatching them in store, but I'm just gonna go ahead and break right into these. I grabbed 2 shades. These were the 2 that I found most appealing. This is in the shade Decadent, and this is in the shade Rosy Outlook. Can we just talk about the packaging? The packaging on these, this is amazing. This is nice packaging. It's beautiful. It's like really heavy too, so good job, NYX. Now, the other thing, NYX is really in love with this applicator. It is a special hourglass shaped applicator. So apparently, you know, it's supposed to allow you to color in the lips, and then you can get in tight to kind of line them, so to speak. So let's just go ahead and swatch these. I don't even really remember what they looked like other than they looked appealing. So this is Rosy Outlook. Oh my gosh, that is so, ooh, that is so pretty. The texture is, it's a heavy duty texture, which is amazing to me because they say it feels weightless. So we shall see. And then the other shade I got, which is more like a nude, which I kind of been more into these days. This is, again, this is Decadent. And here's what that looks like. So that also, very nice. Does have a very pleasant, soft vanilla mint scent. That actually smells really good. So I think for this, just based on my mood lately, I'm gonna go with the nude shade because this looks like a nude I would actually enjoy. Most of the time I find nudes have like kind of a purpley undertone, which I don't like, or they're too brown, and this looks like it'll be just right. I almost hate to put the Rosy Outlook on my lips because it's gonna stain them, but oh, let's just go ahead and do it so you can see what it looks like, because I know when people don't do that on YouTube, it's really annoying. Ugh, this smells like a Thin Mint. Oh, it's so good. So this is Rosy Outlook, and I'm gonna go ahead, take this off and apply Decadent, which I wear throughout the day. Okay, I wanted to show you something quickly. I just took Rosy Outlook off. Be very careful. This stains, so you're gonna look like you got Kool-Aid lips if you're not very, very careful. I feel like I kinda am still seeing some of that stain, and I just covered up with concealer. So now we're gonna go in with Decadent, and I'll wear this all day long to see how it does. All right, I'm not sure if this is gonna be a weightless feeling lipstick, because it definitely, when you're playing around with it, it feels heavy and goopy. So I'm not quite sure how weightless this can possibly be. I mean, it's not sitting annoying on the lips, if that makes sense, but you can definitely tell you have something on the lips. So I guess we'll see. But in any event, it is a little after 2 o'clock. I'm gonna see how this wears throughout the day, do some eating, do some drinking, and I will see, what was that? Eating, some drinking, and I will see you guys in a couple hours. Okay, like literally 20 minutes has gone by since I last filmed, but I just had lunch and I figured might as well do a check-in because this lipstick, while it's not transfer proof, I mean, I just had a massive salad and was drinking water, and it is holding up pretty well with a nice amount of color. So far so good. Oh, I think I finally found another lipstick from NYX that I love. This stuff, after 4.5 hours, is still hanging on for dear life. The pigmentation is there. I've been eating, drinking, and what I love most about it is the consistency. So it's sticky enough so that it feels super comfortable on the lips. Like it's just kind of hanging on there for dear life, but not annoying me in the process. And I'm just gonna check in one more time at the end of the night to see exactly how long the color lasted on my lips. I totally forgot to do a final check-in last night, but that's okay. By the end of the evening, the color had totally worn off my lips, which isn't surprising given the fact that it was like 12 hours later. That color held up so well, and the glossy like texture really held up well. It was super comfortable, it lasted. I am so liking these lip lacquers from NYX. I'm shocked. I never like anything from NYX. So if you guys try them out, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.